Hello friends, welcome back to K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. My name is Justin, Sales Manager of K Hair, and today I will show you guys free list of top 3 Reputable Vietnamese Hair Factory in 2022. This video will bring you the best Vietnamese hair factory, making it easier for you to choose a reputable hair extension supplier in Vietnam. So are you ready? Let's get started right after this intro. The first name when it comes to the top 3 reputable Vietnamese hair factory in 2022 is K Hair. The original materials of K Hair extensions is hair from young Vietnamese women aged 18 to 25. This source is the reason why they are the best Vietnamese hair factories. Even while K Hair has access to many different kinds of hair extensions, the quality is consistently inspected. The processed hair extensions of these Vietnamese hair factories have to go through 3 rounds of testing before being released for resale. For this reason, K Hair should be your first choice if you are looking for a reliable Vietnamese hair factories. The cost of these hair extensions is reasonable considering the high quality of these reputable Vietnamese hair factories. The reason why K Hair price is so attractive is because of the promotion that this Vietnamese hair factory brings. Another reason that makes K Hair the best company in the list of Vietnamese hair factory is the staff. When you come to this Vietnamese hair factory, the sales teams will take care of you from the time you place your order until you receive your hair. K Hair customer service will follow up with you even after your transaction is complete, to make sure that you are completely happy with your order. This service of K Hair is something you hardly can find in other Vietnamese hair factories. Consequently, K Hair will be an excellent choice when you are finding for a reliable Vietnamese hair factories. The second name in the top 3 reputable Vietnamese hair factory in 2022 is 5S Hair Factories. For a long time, 5S Hair has had an important position among the most reputable Vietnamese hair factories. The product quality of these Vietnamese hair factories is great. All hair extension products are taken from the original hair source of Vietnamese women with the good qualities, making 5S Hair one of the best company in the list of Vietnamese hair factory. In terms of price, 5S Hair offer high quality goods at low price. When it comes to serving their clients, the team at 5S Hair is truly exceptional, but sometimes the response and sale produce is delayed because of some errors in the system. This Vietnamese hair factory emphasis on volume manufacturing, so occasionally color imperfections can be seen in their hair extensions. The last name in the top 3 reputable Vietnamese hair factory in 2022 is Queen Hair. Queen Hair is a Vietnamese hair factory focused on distributors in Nigeria. Hair extensions from these Vietnamese hair factories are often praised for their high quality. In addition, the quality of the hair extensions sold here is ideal for individuals in Nigeria. The reason is because of Nigeria is this Vietnamese hair factory's primary market. Hair extensions from Queen Hair are also priced extremely reasonable. When compared to other Vietnamese hair factories in the industry that offer the same level of quality, Queen's Hair pricing is among the most reasonable you will find. However, Queen's Hair customer service has drawn criticisms. You should consider twice before purchasing hair extensions from this Vietnamese hair factory. And those are the free list of top 3 best wholesale distributors in Vietnam. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to comment below this video or message me via this WhatsApp. If you find this video useful, don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. This is Justin, and I will be back for more video on K Hair Factory Best Vietnam Hair YouTube channel. Thank you and see you again.